A subdued start to a brand new week for the benchmark indices, but nevertheless, no one is complaining about it. You have the Nifty that fell below the 16,600 mark. Your Sensex as well that is actually subdued in today's trading session, but there is a lot that is going to be happening this week. You have a lot of central bankers across the globe that will be meeting to take a decision on the interest rate, along with our MPC that has actually begun its 3-day meeting today. We will be having the rate decision on June 8th, and as per ET Now poll, we are expecting all the economists have actually said that they are expecting the RBI to go ahead and hike the repo rate, but by what levels we have to actually wait and watch out for that, and that will be June 8th when we will know what the MPC has decided. But nevertheless, if you look at today's market structure, you have the broader markets that are actually underperforming the benchmark indices in today's trading session, while Nifty Bank is the one that is outperforming marginally. You have the Nifty Bank that is holding on to gains for the most part of the trading session today. Metal index is the other one that is actually buoyant in today's trading session. Along with that, you have FMCG index as well that is actually seeing a good up move in today's trading session. Talking about some of the stocks that are actually moving in today's trading session, you have Bajaj Auto, JSW Steel as well as ONGC were among the top gainers in the last hour of trading session. But on the losing end, you have Shree Cement, BPCL, Asian Paints as well as Hero MotoCorp that were declining in today's trading session. Hero MotoCorp is actually also declining on the back of the Pare report that had come out for the month of May, where it is shown that Hero MotoCorp has lost its market share over the last year. So on the back of that, you have Hero MotoCorp that is under pressure in today's trading session. Talking about the OMCs, the oil marketing companies, they are actually under pressure in today's trading session on back of the crude oil prices. Crude oil prices have touched a fresh 3-month high. You have Brent crude that has surpassed the $121 per barrel mark. So on back of that, you have OMCs that are under pressure. Apart from that, you talk about MRPL, Chennai Petro, Oil India, ONGC, they all are buzz. Especially MRPL and Chennai Petro are in focus because Singapore GRMs have reached around $25 per barrel mark, but that is a new high coming in for Singapore GRMs, and the rise in Singapore GRMs actually helps the earnings for these companies. So you have MRPL as well as Chennai Petro that are in focus in today's trading session. Apart from that, you have certain counters that are actually in focus based on news flows. You have Valiant Organics that is actually falling for a third consecutive session on back of a fire at one of their plants. Also, you have Confidence Petroleum. That's the one that is in focus because they've got license for CNG stations. So on back of that, you have Confidence Petro that is in focus. You have paint companies that is under pressure. That's because of the rise in the crude oil prices. It's a raw material for the paint companies. So you have paint companies that are in focus as well in today's trading session. But all in all, if you sum up the entire trading session for the day, it's subdued trading session. Nevertheless, no one's complaining about it. Nifty, however, is below the 16,600 mark.